Hi, welcome to Tutorpedia Vision Unlimited. In physical science, we have two branches of science combined together. One is physics, the other is chemistry. Today we will deal with light, which is a topic under physics. For your convenience, I have converted the notes of light into question answer pattern, which I hope will be easy for you to understand, and I also hope that it will make you understand how much to write against which question. So let's begin. What is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see objects. Light produces the sensation of sight through which we can see different objects. What do you understand by source of light? An object which is capable of giving light is called the source of light. Example, the sun, burning candle. What are the main sources of light? Explain with example. The main sources of light can be divided into two parts: natural sources of light, artificial or man-made sources of light. Natural sources of light. The sun has enormous amount of energy. It is the main natural source of light. Stars are also natural sources of light. Artificial or man-made sources of light. Burning candle, oil lamp, tube light, etc. are the artificial sources of light. They enable us to see objects during night time. What is bioluminescence? How does it occur? The emission of light given out by an organism is called bioluminescence. It occurs when insects like glowworm or jugnuns emit light. These are also considered as natural sources of light. These types of sources do not produce heat. They are called cold sources of light. Since these type of sources of light, which like jugnuns, do not emit heat, so they are called cold sources of light. What is meant by luminous and non-luminous bodies? Give one example of each. The bodies which emit their own light are called luminous bodies. The word luminous is derived from a Latin word lumen, which means light. Example, the sun, stars. The bodies which do not emit light of their own are called non-luminous bodies. Example, table, chair. What is meant by transparent, translucent and opaque substances? Give two examples of each. The substances which allow the light to pass through them completely are called transparent substances. Example, clear glass, uncontaminated clear water. The substances which allow only a part of light to pass through them are called translucent substances. Example, tracing paper, wax paper. The substances which do not allow light to pass through them at all are called opaque substances. Example, wood, chalk. What is a ray? A ray is a straight line path which indicates the direction of propagation of light. What is a beam of light? A group of rays is called a beam of light. What is a parallel beam of light? When light rays travel parallel to each other in a beam, then such a beam of light is called parallel beam of light. A clear diagram shows the parallel beam of light. What is meant by convergent and divergent beam of light? When a beam consists of light rays which come from different directions and meet at a point, it is called convergent beam of light. Example, when light rays pass through convex lens, they meet at a point and form a convergent beam of light. When the rays of light coming from a very small source travel in various directions, it is called divergent beam of light. Example, rays coming out from a burning candle or a bulb. The diagram shows a divergent beam of light. So here I have discussed today up till the different types of beams of light and the different types of objects and the different sources of light. I hope this will be useful to you. I will be coming up with the rest in the next part.